Hey guys, Sean Terry here, Flip2Freedom.com. Just got back from the gym. Holy cow, what a workout. Burned like 1,100 calories. Amazing. Now, I can tell you, how do you close the gap from where you are to where you want to be? The fastest time possible. So maybe you're in a situation, you're making offers, you're doing deals, you're learning information, but it's just not happening for you fast enough. And you want to make it as fast as possible. You want to get there, but you really don't know what to do. So there's 3 things you can do that will put you into hyper speed and get you to exactly where you want to go. The first one is absolute clarity on where you want to go. Do you want to do 10 deals, averaging $10,000 and make $100,000 in the next 90 days? Let's say your goal is to make $100,000 in the next 90 days and you're willing to do whatever it takes to make it happen. What happens is now you set that goal, you focus on it, you obsess on it, you get clear about it. That's all you can think about is doing $100,000 in the next 90 days. You read it in the morning, read it at night, and that's what you focus on, right? And you get in a frenzy about it. That's number 1. Number 2 is you have to set, a burst for 90 days. Work harder than you've ever worked. The problem is a lot of people are in a pace. They're in this current pace. And maybe they're in a Formula One sports car, which you are a Formula One. You can produce, you can have unlimited potential, right? But you're in first gear and you're comfortable in first gear. Maybe you're humming along at 60, 70 miles an hour in first gear, but you've never opened yourself up before and put yourself maxing out of what you believe you could do. So what happens is in this 90-day burst, you have to literally shift the gears from first gear up into 5th gear and put turbo speed on and work harder than you've ever worked before. Set the goal for 90 days that you're going to do more in these next 90 days than you've ever done before. You're going to wake up early. You're going to go to bed late. You're going to make more offers. You're going to literally have no idle time in your schedule whatsoever, and you're just going to do whatever it takes to hustle. Now, after you do that, then what you got to do is you got to look at the actual metrics of what you're going to make happen in the next 90 days. So let's say, for an example, you want 10 deals at $10,000, $100,000 in 90 days. You want to make 200 offers in the next 90 days, 200 offers. Now, you may have only made 12 offers so far, 15 offers so far in your entire career in the past, 6 months to a year. That's why you got to turn around, go from first gear up to 5th gear and put the turbo boosters on and blow out the water and turn around and make 200 offers in the next 90 days. And what it's going to do, it's going to stretch yourself to where you've never been before. You've never felt what it's like to make 200 offers in 90 days. Well, 200 offers in 90 days, that's literally about 16, 17 offers a week. So let's say now it's Friday, right? Friday comes, it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and you've only got 12 offers on the books. You only got 10 offers on the books. You're still going to get 7 more offers for the rest of this week. What do? Guess what? You don't back off. You don't go, oh, I'm going to do it next week. Oh, I'll just make up for it then. No, you do it now, right? You work on Saturday. You work on Sunday if you have to. You make those offers, and you turn around and you hit your number no matter what. Why? Because your life is on the line, whether you're going to hit your goal or not. You have to be that committed to it to where you will do it no matter what, and you're not going to let yourself down. So it's Friday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You booked 10 offers. You got 7 more to go. You know what? You got to go out there and you got to talk to for sale money. You have to drive for dollars. You have to go knock on pre-foreclosure doors. You have to sit there and cold call, until 9 o'clock at night on Friday. Forget happy hour with the friends. Forget dinner, whatever you're going to do. Wake up early Saturday. Make calls all day Saturday so you can get those numbers in. The bottom line is you got to do what you got to do to turn around and get it done. And what's going to happen is you're going to stretch and your pace is going to go from first gear up to 5th gear, and you're going to be cruising at 150 miles an hour, and you're going to be like, I can't even imagine what 80 miles an hour. I can't imagine what that slower pace is. You're going to adopt a newer pace, and that's going to change everything. And now you're going to know what it takes to go out and make it happen. See, and here's the thing, is that you have the choice to back off. You have the choice to back down gears. You have the choice to go full throttle and make it happen, be committed 100% or not. Right? Here's the thing though. If you choose not to do it, you talk yourself out of it, and you talk yourself out of taking action, you're just not living at full potential. You're not pushing yourself what you believe you can do. And you know what's amazing? If you push yourself further than you've ever thought, because there's going to be a breaking point during this 90-day window where you're going to want to quit, right? And maybe it's not working. Maybe you're making offers and deals aren't coming in. You're going to get discouraged. You're going to get, you're not going to understand what's happening. You're going to get, mad, and you're going to get, freaking out. You're going to doubt yourself and what you're doing. You're going to get tired, right? You're going to be just like, I need some sleep, right? But what's going to happen, you're going to push through it. And you have to have that massive, ridiculous $100,000 goal that you're going to crush in the next 90 days. And you make it public, put it on Instagram. Say, I'm going to hit 100 grand no matter what. Watch me over the next 90 days. And now you're committed to going out and making it happen. So when you want to talk yourself out of it, you got to focus on it, and you've got to be able to push yourself over the hump. Because here's the thing. What if you don't do it? What if you let yourself down? What if you're the only one that can let yourself down? If you hit the numbers, you'll get the goal. That's the bottom line. All you got to do is be able to hit the numbers. So you got to make it so worth it that when you turn around, you hit that $100,000 number, sleep for the entire weekend. Get off on Friday, take the entire weekend, hang out by the pool, chill out, do whatever you want to do, but just sleep. And then guess what? You're going to be operating in a complete different level, and you will never, ever be able to downshift into first gear ever again, because you're going to adopt a new pace. So I hope you take this information, go out and crush it for the next 90 days. Start from where you are right now. Start from where you are and just ramp it up. Ramp it up. And use positive affirmations consistently. Tell yourself you can do it. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to do whatever it takes. I'm going to go out and crush it. I can have a higher pace. I can go out and achieve success. I can hit $100,000 in the next 90 days. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make the offers. I'm going to push through, any type of obstacles, and I'm going to go out there and crush it. If you do that, you're going to look up 90 days from now, and you're going to be sending me direct messages going, I am so glad I listened to you. And your whole life, everything will shift and change for you just like that. Because when you make a commitment like that, God, the universe, everything opens up and starts flooding you with massive amounts of success. So I hope that for you. Have a fabulous day. Awesome. Take care. God bless.